scent starts from $29. Now that's a steal. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's review was sponsored by the company Dossier. So before we get into the wig review, I just want to tell you guys some more about Dossier, and I want to say thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this wig review. So some more about the company Dossier. They offer iconic scents, design and quality for 70 to 90% lower than the designer retailers. The scent starts from $29. Now that's a steal. So let's go ahead and talk about the two scents they sent over, and then we'll go ahead and get right into the video. So this is the boxes they came over. This is what it looks like. Look there. It has a card with the notes, the bottle. So the first one that I'll be looking at is YSL More Power 1, 2, 3, 5. So the first one that I'll be taking a look at is Floriental Brown Sugar. Floriental Brown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one I'll be looking at is Floriental Brown Sugar. This was inspired by YSL More Power Wig Eau de Perfume. First one that I will be taking a look at is Floriental Brown Sugar. This one is inspired by YSL More Power Wig Eau de Perfume. It has a concentration of 18%. The notes are bergamot, raspberry, pear, jasmine, orange blossom, brown sugar. But I do have the original version of this, and when I tell you it smells exactly like this one, where I had to have my brother smell it, and he didn't know which one was which because it smells exactly the same. I don't know how they do it, but they do. So if this is something you might be interested in, I say go ahead and pick it up. As stated in the intro, it does start at $29, and there is currently a special going on that gives you 20% off. So the next one that I'll be looking at is Oriental Cherry. This one mimics Tom Ford Lost Cherry Eau de Perfume. I don't have that one, but I've heard it's really good. Scent of this one, ooh honey, yes, yes. This is a compliment giver, and a little goes a long way. This smells amazing. When I tell you amazing, amazing. So some of the notes are cherry, almond, cinnamon, cloves, rose, jasmine, plum. The concentration is 18%. And yes honey, yes. So this is what it looks like, and when I tell you I love this scent, I said I was gonna go over to Sephora to smell it to see how similar it is, but regardless if it's similar or not, I love this one. Yeah, again, so this one is Oriental Cherry, and it mimics Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Now that you have watched me talk about the sponsors, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Let's go. you've watched me install a wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig again that I have is Ultra Premium Duby Wig, 100% human hair in the style HH-TERRA. I have the wig in the color DBH1B Amber. It is a pre-bumped hair, and it is 100% premium human hair, pre-bumped in a variety of classic styles, affordable, durable, long-lasting, heat-friendly. It doesn't say how much heat-friendly it is, but I would imagine anywhere from 170 to 400 degrees. But again, I don't know what you would curl, maybe tighten up the curls. So this, they say, the website also says this unit can be one to work brunch wig. It gives you a short and sassy style that you have been looking for. Short and sassy, yes, 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 and yes. So this wig is beginner friendly, put on and go. Don't need to cut a lace. It doesn't have any lace. Just put it on and go. Does not need to be secured. It is very beginner friendly, all the friendlies that you could get. That's it. Get this wig. I don't know what you guys are waiting on, but yeah, love this unit. Love the highlights. Can you guys see it? Really love this unit. Really love this unit. So what would I rate this wig? I would rate this wig a 10. I don't see what you could do wrong with it. Like, there's nothing that could go wrong with this wig if you get it. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and leave me a comment down below what you thought about this short unit on me. Do you like the colors? Do you not like the colors? Where would you wear it to? I would wear it to go anywhere. Maybe just, you know, when I gotta go answer the door for the packages and I look a hot mess, yeah, throw it on. So that's what I wear this week too. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.